woke up in Nyongshui, and Nyongshui, how do you say that? Nyongshui. And it's gonna be, thank you very much, it's gonna be a boat trip on Inle Lake. The lake is located at 100 kilometers from Naypyidaw, which is the capital of Myanmar. And there are about 200,000 inhabitants in that area, mainly in 4 different cities and a lot of villages around the lake. Those inhabitants are called the Intas, and most of them are fishermen. Because the water is so muddy in that area, the fisherman has to stand on the stern of their boat in order to see something and see the fish that they're gonna catch. So they have the fish net in their hands, they stand on one leg, and in order to keep the equilibrium and to navigate the boat, they attach the paddle on the other leg. We are now arriving in a place called the Jumping Cat Monastery. That's the place where a monk used to train some cats so they can jump whenever he wanted. But unfortunately, he died in 2012, and I'm not sure the cats are still trained, so let's figure that out.
Not jumping cats, they're just sleeping. What do you mean that they jump?
This is definitely not a jumping cat, it's more like a cuddle cat. such
exciting day.
it was such an exciting day. It's true. Went to so many different types of artisanal shops when they produce like silver jewelry, cigars, silk as well.
But we
Artisanal
saw-
one.
We saw as well fishermen on the boats performing.
And the different pagodas, the different pagodas, the jumping one, the jumping cat one, and the one with the monks that are covered in gold, the monk statue, not the one. So I would say that place really worth it. It's a bit like there is a part that is touristic, right? We're gonna admit that there is some artisanal shops everywhere. Try to get a bit of your money, but there's so many natural things around that makes the place unique, really. So really good, a plus. Us.
Yes, worth it.